All right, so here we are continuing in chapter 10, and we're moving into lactation. So let's get started. Um, I want you to think about before the early 1900s, there was no formula. So most babies were breastfed, if not by mom, then by another female who was producing milk called a wet nurse. 1950 to 1960s, the incidence of breastfeeding dramatically reduced. And then today, the statistics are about 55% of women breastfeed their babies in the hospital. 33% are breastfeeding at 4 months, and 20% are breastfeeding at 6 months. And you'll have the links in Blackboard for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Their paper supporting and promoting breastfeeding. And I just wanted you to look at the table here where it says, here's the Healthy People 2020 breastfeeding objectives, what we're shooting for, and then what we're looking at as actual breastfeeding rates in 2011. So that's a nice reference for y'all to have. So the Academy of, excuse me, American Academy of Pediatrics recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months. Now, what does this mean, exclusive breastfeeding? It means only breast milk. That's the only nourishment that the child is getting. There's no supplementing with formula. There's no solid foods during this time. And then we're taking the recommendation of breastfeeding plus complementary foods for at least 12 months. So at 6 months, when the infant is displaying some signs of readiness, at that point, we're going to add complementary foods. And we'll talk about those complementary foods in the next chapter. So benefits of breastfeeding, we have a listing here for infants, and we have a listing here for the moms as well. I think it's important to remember that not all women are interested or capable of breastfeeding, although there are steps we can take to even help and assist with the moms who are having difficulty with breastfeeding to be successful. Um, but we certainly want to promote breastfeeding because of these benefits listed here in the table. So for babies, it provides the exact balance of nutrients that they need, and we'll talk um, soon about just one thing that breast milk is lacking, and that's vitamin D. But we can provide that in supplements. Provides hormones that promote physiological development, improves cognitive development. We're seeing a decrease in ear infections and GI disease with breastfed babies. And then later in life, diabetes, both type 1 and type 2, obesity, heart disease, asthma, hypertension. Breastfeeding may protect against that. Decreases risk for food allergies, support healthy weight, and reduces the risk of SIDS. And then for moms, we're seeing a contraction in the uterus. So oftentimes we get to pre-pregnancy shape sooner. It delays the return of regular ovulation, although please note that this is not a dependable method of contraception. And it also conserves iron stores. So mom is not getting her period while breastfeeding, so then she's not having that monthly loss of blood and increased need of iron. This is particularly important in women who want to have more babies at a sooner succession so that those iron stores are not depleted. And then later on in life, for moms, breastfeeding may protect against breast, ovarian cancer, and the risk of type 2 diabetes. Other things, if mom is solely breastfeeding, there is no cost involved. Obviously, mom needs to feed herself and provide hydration for herself, but there would be no cost associated with the actual breast milk. However, if mom is going back to work or putting the child in the care of someone else, then mom